Let's explore the role of keywords in optimizing paid search campaigns. In the competitive realm of digital advertising, mastering effective keyword usage is essential for maximizing the return on investment or ROI of your paid advertising efforts. To optimize paid search, it's crucial to create well organized keyword groups, each directing users to specific destinations on your website. Let's take a look at maintaining keyword groups with specific destinations. It's important to group related keywords together. Ensure that the keywords within each group are highly relevant to one another and to the landing page they lead to. Have the user's intentions in mind when you establish a specific keyword group for any landing page. This alignment will improve the user experience and have a positive effect on your quality score. The ad copy will typically closely reflect the keywords in the group and the content on the landing page. Consistency will both build trust and improve click-through rates. The quality score is a vital metric in paid search. It impacts your ad's position and cost per click, or CPC. Keyword themes play a crucial role in improving quality scores. Thorough keyword research will help identify themes related to your business. Group keywords that share the same theme into ad groups. A single keyword theme can represent multiple similar words and phrases. For instance, if you have the keyword theme smartphones, it would make your ad eligible to appear when people search for latest smartphones, best smartphone deals, and top-rated mobile phones. Ensure that the keywords, ad copy, and landing page content are highly relevant to each other within a theme. This will boost quality scores. Create ads that closely align with your keyword themes. This ensures that users find the information they are expecting when they click your ad. Optimize landing pages to provide valuable content related to the keyword theme. A good user experience will more than likely improve quality scores. Negative keywords are as important as positive ones when optimizing paid search campaigns. Keywords that are unrelated to your offerings but could trigger your ads can be added to your negative keyword list. Specify negative keywords at the campaign or ad group level to prevent your ads from appearing for those searches. Regularly review your search term reports to identify new negative keyword options and refine your list accordingly. Effective keyword targeting for marketing campaigns and ad development is crucial for achieving your advertising goals. Here's how you can target ads and campaigns with your keywords. Create campaigns with clear objectives and organize ad groups within them around specific themes or product categories. The structure of your campaign is important. Utilize different keyword match types like broad, phrase, exact, and broad match modifier to control the specificity of keyword targeting. A keyword bid is a bid placed in a pay-per-click auction to help secure ad placement at the top of search results. Adjust your bidding strategy based on the competitiveness and value of keywords. Bid higher for keywords that are likely to convert. Craft compelling ad copy that includes relevant keywords. Use dynamic keyword insertion when appropriate to make ads more personalized. Take advantage of ad extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets to provide helpful information to users and improve ad visibility. Use location-based keywords and targeting to reach users in specific geographic areas relevant to your business. Optimizing paid search with keywords involves meticulous planning, organization, and continuous refinement. By maintaining well-structured keyword groups, aligning keywords with landing pages, focusing on quality scores, utilizing negative keywords, and targeting ads and campaigns strategically, you can enhance the effectiveness of your paid advertising efforts. Remember that keyword optimization in paid search is an ongoing process, and regular analysis and adjustments are crucial to achieving the best results and maximizing your ROI.